I'm starting here at the end of the lighting system. So you've got your first fixture here where I'm pointing at. Second fixture appears to have a bulb that is a cooler color temperature than the rest. When I took that bulb out, that particular one is a 4,200 Kelvin temperature, which is an odd temperature. Usually they come in 27, 3,000, then it goes from 4,000 to 5,000 to 6,000. Sometimes you'll find a 5,500K. Finding another 4,200K bulb could be challenging, not to mention the color temperatures from one manufacturer to another are gonna vary. So from what I'm finding, I'm anticipating that the problem is in fact just the light bulbs, and the correct remedy would be to replace not just the ones that are needing to be replaced, but go ahead and replace them all so that the color matches. You do have a photo cell here, a twist and lock. You've got an override switch here. A little bit harder to find is this photo cell here on the side, which I've covered up with tape. There's gonna be one breaker, which is this one here, that actually controls that photo cell. But the purpose of the contactor is so that we can utilize multiple breakers and only one photo cell. So there are multiple circuits that are powering all those lights further on, but there's nothing here that I really see an issue with. The main issue is the bulbs that need to be replaced, and hopefully that additional information gives you guys what you need to get that fixed. If you guys need help with that, let me know. And again, thanks for having me out.